Hey there! As you can see, I'm eating some dragon fruit, pitaya. This is grown on a cactus in parts of Asia, and I think Mexico and South America. So it's not native to the United States, doesn't grow here, which means it's going to be quite a bit more expensive and also probably less responsible, but I'm treating myself today. And my name is Sarah, my YouTube channel is Slock Sounds, and I am just trying to be myself on the internet. It's a weird thing to do. I went grocery shopping this morning and had to run through the pouring rain twice. So that was really fun. I honestly kind of enjoyed it, and whenever I have to run through the rain, I feel like my hair is all nice and like fluffy and in a cute way, you know, for the rest of the day. It's kind of a day off for me. I don't have to work, and I've been kind of chilling and keeping it low key. I'm gonna film this intro, but in today's video, I'll just be showing you some of the ways that I meal prep for the week and make it easier for myself when I'm either really busy or just not feeling up to it, or would rather be doing something like reading or creating art and not spending hours and hours in the kitchen, even though I love the kitchen and I love cooking and I love food. It just, you know, I'm lazy. A girl is lazy, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate. So I think it is super useful to manage your time by like bulk roasting vegetables and making a bunch of granola that you can sprinkle on things throughout the week or eat with like apple and peanut butter. That's one way I love to eat it. I'm also going to be cooking a lentil soup. I am just really craving this cold weather, you guys, and I feel like after this rainstorm that we're getting today and is kind of going to be happening throughout the whole week, I feel like after that maybe it will get a bit chillier. Today I put on this really sweet little set because I just felt like dressing up, and sometimes your day off means just pampering yourself a little bit, and that can look like putting a cute outfit on and doing your makeup. And I did do my makeup a little bit. I wasn't going to originally, but I thought, you know, I'm filming this intro and it's fun to look cute and get dolled up, so why not? I think after I film this, I'm just going to spend the afternoon reading, maybe a little bit of tidying up around the house, probably journaling. I'm really wanting to dive more into manifestation journaling. I have been a hardcore journaler on and off for most of my life. There have been periods where I'm not journaling as frequently, but it's been a pretty consistent presence in my life. Like I said, I'm super lazy. I'm a person who likes to skip steps and be as efficient as possible, and sometimes that bites me in the butt because I miss out on the details and important things that I should not have overlooked. But anyways, not the point of this video. This video is certainly about becoming more efficient and choosing healthier foods and making healthier choices, and just makes it a little bit less overwhelming. Sometimes I wonder if I'm almost too good at self-care. No, I am just living my life, and it feels really good to be doing that. It's nice to not always feel like I have to be so productive and go, go, go. That really about sums up this intro. I started Saturday morning off with some oatmeal. I added some blueberries and dark chocolate chips, and then topped that with some banana, blueberries, and crushed pecans. I then baked a tray of granola with the rest of my oats, starting with some coconut oil and maple syrup that I stirred over the stove until it was nice and runny, and then you add the oats pecans, any warm spices, chia seeds, really whatever you would like. And then you pop that in the oven at 325 for about 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how crispy you would like it. I will say that I had a little bit of excess maple syrup and coconut oil, but it honestly made it crunchier, so it's kind of just playing around with it, seeing what you like. After throwing the granola in the oven, I decided to boil some farm fresh eggs for my aunt and uncle's chicken coop. You do have to rinse these off because they get a little bit of a film on them, but the great thing about that is you can leave them sitting on the counter for months and months and they will be perfectly fine until you decide to wash them. After that, I roasted some sweet potatoes. I just cut them up with the skin on to get those extra nutrients, and then covered them in grapeseed oil and a tandoori spice blend that is delicious. See, the granola came out this beautiful golden brown. There you can see there's a little bit of extra maple syrup and coconut oil, which is why it's all clumped together and crunchy like this, but just use a little bit less oil if you want it to be a bit of a looser granola. Threw those in the oven at 425 for 30-35 minutes, and then got started on my lentil soup, chopping up some celery, onion, garlic, and I already had some pre-chopped carrots, and then I put those all into my Dutch oven and just let them get cooking. Of a cup of green lentils and about a cup of red lentils. Make sure they are rinsed and drained, and then added about 4 cups of the broth of your choice. Just putting together a little lunch for Patrick for work the next day. He does not make me do this. I just enjoy making lunch for him. So I put a bunch of veggies onto a wrap with some basil picked from my little basil plant.
Just in case.
You coach for free?
Yeah.
When my lentil soup is about done simmering, I added a splash of coconut milk and some lemon just to top off the flavors. And here are all my finished meal prepped items. On Sunday morning after that beautiful dinner, I just chopped up an apple and added some coconut milk and granola to make a little breakfast cereal. thank you so much for sticking around to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching me meal prep and use those meal prepped items a little bit. I really feel like it frees up some time so that you can spend more time, you know, just doing other things that bring you joy and peace, and helping set a little bit of structure and routine for the week, and having your expectations kind of aligned. And it also just helps me stick to making choices that I know are going to fuel my body and make me feel alive and full of energy, instead of, you know, succumbing to going through a drive-through somewhere when I don't have anything made before I have to go to work, or, you know, when it's late at night and I'm tired after getting off or something like that. But that's pretty much all I've got for you today. I'm trying to keep this video slightly shorter. I don't know if it's actually gonna end up being shorter or not. But if you would like to see more content related to wellness and spirituality, food, ASMR, and just general expression of self in life, then hit that subscribe button below and maybe give this a thumbs up as well. I am so grateful to have your view, your attention today. I hope that this video resonated with you in some way, shape, or form, and that you will stick around for what's coming. All right, bye.